discipline here. This little black car behind us, he's like, squeeze me. Where is the next road? It's just here, isn't it? Broken white lines. Good, bring it over. Okay, and at the end of this road, we're turning left. Oh, hello. Lucy!
This way.
Foot on the brake.
I didn't realise how small the road was.
Okay, into first. Okay, it's open, isn't it? You could see it's just clear, but I wasn't expecting you to stop there.
I thought it's best for me to just stop.
We're going to turn left at the end of this road. So again, this is an open junction, isn't it? So if you slow down enough and on time, you're going to keep, don't go down on your clutch, look left and right. Is it safe? All right, brilliant. That's what I thought you were going to do on the first one.